Before buying climbing slings, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner. First up is the GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner. Priced at just $7.95, it caught my eye not just for its bright fluorescent orange color, but also for its strong 22KN rating and CE/UIAA certification. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. So why should you pay attention to this sling? First off, that 22KN rating means it can handle a lot of weight, which is essential for your safety during climbs. The nylon material is tough, resistant to wear, and ensures a long lifespan, perfect if you're out there climbing regularly. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to carry around as part of your gear, and available in various lengths to suit different needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're rappelling or creating anchors, this sling is versatile enough for several climbing activities. Now, some folks have mentioned that the stitching could be better. Here's the thing though, while I get that quality stitching is crucial, I found the durability to be solid for general use. So if you're not planning on extreme conditions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're starting out in climbing or just need something reliable without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra heavy duty for professional use. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the stitching concern bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner Gray. Next, we have another GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner, but this one comes in gray and is priced at $27.95. What stands out here is the premium durability without sacrificing on strength. If you want something that blends better into natural environments, this is worth a serious look. This means it's trustworthy for serious climbers. The gray color is less flashy but perfect for those who want to keep a low profile while climbing outdoors. It's made from the same tough nylon material, ensuring it withstands the rigors of climbing and use over time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tackling tougher routes or need a sling for anchoring, this one fits the bill. Some users have noted that it's a bit pricier compared to other options. But honestly, if you're serious about climbing, investing a little more for extra durability and reliability is worth it. For casual climbers, though, it might feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced climber needing something reliable and durable. Skip this one if you're just starting out or climbing occasionally. You'll get your money's worth with this one. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something lightweight and easy to carry. Product number 3, GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner Fluorescent Orange. The third product is another GM Climbing 16 Nylon Sling Runner, also fluorescent orange but priced at just $8.95. What really drew me in was the price and the fact it has the same robust specifications as the others. If you want a good deal without compromising on safety, this is worth a serious look. This sling shares the same impressive 22KN strength rating and CE/UIAA certifications, which means it's built for safety. The fluorescent orange color not only looks cool but also helps in quickly spotting it in your gear. It's made of durable nylon that resists wear and tear over time, making it perfect for various climbing activities. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're climbing, hiking, or using it for emergencies, it's versatile and dependable. Now, some reviews mention that the length options are limited. Here's the thing, though, if you're primarily looking for a standard length for general climbing needs, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still highly functional for most scenarios. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable sling for casual climbing or emergencies. Skip this one if you need specialized lengths for unique climbing scenarios. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more strength, the next product is designed with durability in mind. Product number 4, New Door 16 Climbing Sling. Next up is the New Door 16 Climbing Sling, priced at $17.99. What's fascinating about this product is its slightly higher breaking strength of 23KN. If you want something that offers a bit more strength and reliability, this is worth a serious look. This sling is CEN 566 and UIAA certified, which is critical for climbers. The extra strength means it can withstand more weight, which is crucial if you're climbing with heavy gear or tackling tougher climbs. It's made from high-quality nylon that's designed for durability, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear as quickly. Plus, it comes in multiple lengths, giving you options based on your climbing needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're creating anchors or just need a solid climbing companion, this sling fits the bill perfectly. However, some users pointed out that the color doesn't stand out as much on the rock face. But honestly, if you're focused on strength and durability, that might not matter too much. It's still a strong choice for serious climbers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a strong and reliable sling for serious climbing. Skip this one if you prefer brighter colors for visibility in your gear or climbing environment. For the price point, it does well in terms of value. Moving on, the last product on my list offers a great balance of value and durability. Product number 5, New Door 16 Climbing Sling Black. Lastly, we have another New Door 16 climbing sling, but this one comes in black and is priced at $9.99. What catches your attention here is its affordability paired with a solid 23 kN strength. If you want a dependable sling without spending too much, this is worth a serious look. Just like its sibling, this sling is certified and made from durable nylon. The 23 kN strength means it can handle heavy loads, making it perfect for various climbing scenarios. Plus, its lightweight design means you can easily carry it in your bag without even noticing it's there. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're using it for building anchors or for tree work, this sling covers a lot of ground. However, some users have stated that the stitching could be better. Here's the thing, though, if you're using it for regular climbing purposes, many find it to be perfectly reliable despite this issue. This is perfect for you if you're an occasional climber or someone who needs an affordable, reliable solution for various activities. Skip this one if you need something ultra heavy duty for professional climbing. It offers excellent value for the price. Now, let's wrap this up and compare these solid options. So we've covered 5 solid climbing slings. The affordable and reliable GM climbing options, the slightly pricier yet durable choices, and the New Door slings that balance strength with value. No matter your climbing needs, there's something here for everyone. Stay safe out there.